the mountain in front of me that you see, that is Kundura Betta, and this is our first location of the day. So this hilltop is known as Kundura Betta. So this is our first location, and yep, we'll do a little bit of photography here and take some b-roll and whatnot, and then we'll head back. People usually what they do, they directly go to Shivanasamudra, but I found this place on Google Maps, so I thought that I'm gonna explore this. But yeah, nothing much to do here apart from clicking some pictures and spend some peaceful time. Now we are on our way to location 2, which is about 40 kilometers from here. It's a waterfall. Off-road, 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 off-road. Are you going to the fall?
Yeah,
Do we have to take, I think, one sec. I think that route it's showing. This is some serious off-road, and this bike is not meant for that, but still I am doing it. At least we are doing it. The Java guy we met on the way, he was not sure about the route, so I told him that follow me, and along with him we are going towards that location itself. It's a waterfall, and I hope after this much of hustle and bustle we will be able to have that majestic waterfall. If not, then I guess hard luck. Wow, look at that. उधर देखो क्या सही है भाई. I think this is the end, if not another beginning. Road is nice, but road condition is not good. I think this is the end. इसके बाद तो जा नहीं सकते. इसके बाद मैं चलाऊंगा भी नहीं. मेरे को नहीं चलाऊंगा भाई. Oh, at least something is better than nothing. There were like 1,000 people today at Shivanasamudra, and I was like, fuck, so many people after lockdown at once is like too much to take in. But yeah, I can understand. Unlock things started and people got a chance to move around, roam around, so I think the entire Bangalore is out of town. It's a long weekend, so quite understandable as well. So yeah, so right now our story kind of ends here, and it's time for us to go back home. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Till then, bye bye and take care. Traffic everywhere.